Traders, investors, what is going on? We are back. So our play blew up the other day, but I said that in the last video. And this morning we finally got some FDA news. And so the news was this, that they are starting phase 2B of their controlled study on Tmbr-001. So anyways, this announcement was that they were at 50% enrollment, so they are getting close to being able to start phase 2 of their study. If you don't know, Tmbr makes dermatology products for some of the weird one-off untreated diseases in the dermatology sector. It says right here, there are many rare dermatology diseases that do not have any approved therapies, and we are committed to advancing the research focused on novel topical treatments that may enable targeted deliveries and skibbity-dibbities and some stuff and things. So I'll blink that in the down there. Can I link it? I'll try. So we got some news. I built a starter. It's not going great. I'm down $38 right now. Built out $750, and it didn't really run. Futures were pretty choppy, but that's not the problem. Here's the problem. The problem is the shorties are here. 26% or 27% today. High 20s to 30% short ratio on the daily. So what's important to note is they're at 45% insider ownership, 10% institutions. 45% is substantial. That's definitely abnormal. Better yet, the float is 6.5 million. So it doesn't take much to get this thing to do this. And I've been emailing Tmbr back and forth a little bit here. So I tried to trick her and see if I could get some sensitive information. Trying to get some updates. They're not sending me anything we don't already know, but we got some things. So anyways, we had some pretty big news today, and there was no reaction to it. We closed sideways, red, not tight. So I'm expecting that we might have this reposted, or even if it's not reposted, once this information starts to settle in a little bit, we should get legs again. Are we going to test 375? I don't know. That was extraordinary. We talked about in the last video why that happened. But I definitely see a 3+ test in the near future off this news. I don't see why we wouldn't. We've been moving on momentum and just technicals alone up until this point. But they got good news today. They got a grant. Where is it? $1.5 million grant. Which doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm pretty sure this company's market cap is 29 or 20 million or something like that. Here you go. Get used to seeing this. There's always 20, 50, 15,000 shares just sitting here on the bid side holding this thing down. And I don't know why I'm a glutton for punishment. Why do I trade stocks that are heavily shorted? Why am I trying to give myself another Hyliion? I don't know. What I do know is it's great when they squeeze. And so we got some news going on. We've had momentum. The pumpers could be back. So I got enough spec juice to build a starter. And if we see some momentum building, then I'll scale into my position. But right now I'm just kind of holding. This does seem to be a new level here. We got the MAC curling on the 1 hour too, mind you. A previous top. I guess you could call it's a ugly ass head and shoulders right there. But you could call this being the head of the head and shoulders leading out of that run that we had a couple days ago, or a couple weeks ago rather. And so yeah, it's holding that level. Looks good. God willing, futures are okay tomorrow. I think we could see some legs. Like, what's going on? What is this? What is this shit? Literally chop city most of the day, and then we just decide we love everything. So yeah, we're pretty high up right now. Certainly gives us some room to fall, but futures has some time to catch itself after hours. So we'll see what happens. A couple of our other plays we've been talking about in the Discord. Chek exploded today. F me sideways. I'm not in it. I'm literally looking at a sticky note on my wall that says add Chek right now. Glad I did. So there you go. Nice little touch. Little level action. That's the 20-minute. Put it on the hour. Yikes. We got earnings in a couple days, which I'm pretty sure isn't that even that big of a deal because I don't think they are even making money yet. But Chek exploded today, and GNUS actually never came down. We talked about how we wanted to get in this under 2 the other day, and I almost got under 2, but I didn't get under 2. it actually ran today. And oddly enough, they like recycled the news, a couple of days ago. Where is it? There you go. Share spike higher, announce a Roblox deal. So where is it? So here's the 10th. We pop on that news, and then we get that news again. I mean, obviously there's some more specifics in it, but we knew this was going to happen. MJ plays are heating up again. We keep getting rejected over here. I mean, we finally broke this resistance the other day, but we're still getting rejected at this same point right here. So we'll see if we can bring it all home soon. But yeah, my top plays right now, or top sectors, I guess, rather, would be renewables in the MJ sector. Sun W is still very beat down. Looks like it's going to swing, too. You might be able to get it. I doubt you're going to get it down in this range again, but you might be able to get it under 14 or 15. Also like Sol, if you want something more expensive for solar or run. And then, yeah, I mean, my go-to MJ stock is AFA because it tracks Tilray. Well, because it tracks Tilray. Because they're going to have a merger in November or something like that. So, yes, I like them. ACB, meh. Sundial, market makers, dumpster fire. Coin's cranking. Here we go. 37 tests. Do we have Riot earnings yet? Nope. Sick. Glad I don't want to know. Central Time after hours. Anyways, boys, that is it. So hit the thing, do the stuff, follow me on the stuff and things if you don't, join the Discord, and I'll catch you in the next one, traders.